Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can change menu, icons, color, layout or add amazing themes and change your Samsung smartphone theme without downloading any application. So viewers, what you have to do is watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So viewers, first of all what you have to do is open settings. So for that what you have to do is tap on apps and then tap on settings. After that viewers, what you have to do is tap on themes and then what you have to do is tap on more themes, and then by your choice you can tap on categories and tap on palettes and select the theme you want, or you can simply select from topics, or you can tap on featured and then tap on steady selling themes, and you can select from here also anything you like, or you can tap on all. Okay, and you can select from here also theme you like. So viewers, you can see that there are a lot of themes. So you can select the most popular, or you can select the most recent one also by tapping on the small downward directional arrow, and you can select from here also, but I have not selected any one. It's by default the most popular. So I will tap on this one and then I will tap on download. It's basically the solar eclipse theme, so it will take some time. It's 14.2 MB, so it is now installing. So after installing, viewers, what you will see is two options. So what you have to do is then tap on apply. So I will tap on it, and you can see it saying that applying this theme may close some apps and any unsaved data may be lost. So I will tap on apply. So viewers, you can see that the theme has been applied. You can see that the icons have been changed, the menu has been changed, and the colors has been changed, the layout has been changed. So the theme basically is changed of your Samsung smartphone. Viewers, hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.